This is room 517. I have several problems that need to be addressed immediately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please tell me what's wrong and I'll help you.
First, the toilet is running constantly. It won't stop filling. Second, one of the light bulbs in the bathroom is out. And third, there's no shower gel or shampoo.
I sincerely apologize. Let me deal with each issue. The toilet is the most urgent. I'll send maintenance right away.
How long will that take?
He should be there in less than 10 minutes. For the light bulb and toiletries, I can have housekeeping bring those immediately, probably within 5 minutes.
And what if the toilet can't be fixed quickly?
If it's a complicated repair, we'll move you to another room. But most toilet issues can be fixed quickly, usually just an adjustment.
All right, there's one more thing. The Wi-Fi password you gave me doesn't work.
Oh, let me check that. I think I may have given you the wrong one. The correct password is capital HTL2024, all one word with a capital H.
Capital HTL 2024. Let me try. Yes, that works now. Thank you.
Excellent. So we have maintenance coming for the toilet, housekeeping bringing the light bulb and toiletries, and the Wi-Fi is now working. Is there anything else?
No, that covers everything. I appreciate you handling all of this.
You're very welcome. I'm sorry you've had these problems. Please don't hesitate to call if anything else comes up.
Hello, this is room 517 again. The maintenance person just fixed the toilet. Very quick and professional.
That's wonderful. I'm so glad. And did housekeeping bring the toiletries and light bulb?
Yes, they did. Everything's sorted now, thank you.
Perfect. As an apology for all these issues, I've added a complimentary bottle of wine to your room. It should arrive shortly.
That's very kind. Thank you for your excellent service in resolving everything.